the family tree of programming languages. 1957, Fortran. The first widely used high-level language built at IBM for scientists. Fortran code written half a century ago still runs today. 1958, Algol. Never a commercial hit, endlessly influential. Blocks, scopes, and structured control flow all start with Algol. 1958, Lisp. Code as data, data as code. Lisp brought recursion and garbage collection into practice and shaped half of modern language design. 1959, COBOL. Built for business and designed to read like English. Trillions of dollars still move through COBOL systems every single day. 1964, BASIC. Made programming something ordinary people could do, and later booted up the entire home computer generation. 1967, Simula. Invented to simulate ships and traffic. Simula quietly created classes, objects, and inheritance. Object-oriented programming is born here. 1970. Pascal Niklaus Wirth's teaching language became a workhorse of the 70s and 80s, from classrooms to the original Macintosh. 1972. C. Portable assembly for Unix. C became the bedrock that nearly every operating system and most later languages stand on. Smalltalk. Everything is an object, even the development environment. Smalltalk shaped graphical interfaces, OOP culture, and the modern IDE. 1974. SQL. Not general purpose, yet unavoidable. The declarative language of data that has outlived every programming fashion since. 1980, Ada, commissioned by the US military for systems that must not fail. Ada still flies in aircraft, trains, and spacecraft today. 1985, C++C with classes grew into the industry's heavy machinery. Games, browsers, engines, and stock exchanges run on C++. 1986, Erlang. Built at Ericsson for telephone switches that never go down. Decades later, its virtual machine powers messaging at planet scale. 1987, Perl. The Swiss Army chainsaw of text processing and the duct tape that held the early World Wide Web together. 1990, Haskell. Pure, lazy, and strongly typed, the research lab of programming languages. Its ideas keep leaking into everyone else's syntax. 1991, Python. Readability as a design principle. A slow burner that grew for 30 years into the lingua franca of data and AI. 1995, Java. Write once, run anywhere. The Java virtual machine carried enterprise software and later billions of Android devices. JavaScript, designed in 10 days for the Netscape browser, now running everywhere the web reaches, like it or not. PHP, a personal homepage tool that ended up serving most of the web, from WordPress to the early days of Facebook. 2000, C#. Microsoft's answer to Java, polished over 2 decades into one of the most complete mainstream languages. 2001. From here on, the data is real. The TIOBE index measured every single month. Let the race begin. The 2000s enterprise software runs on Java, operating systems on C. Together they own half the chart. The web generation, PHP and JavaScript, is just warming up. 2008. The iPhone changes everything. Objective-C rockets into the top 10. JavaScript conquers the browser while Perl and PHP begin their long slide. The data and AI wave lifts Python year after year, from beginner's language to the tool of every data scientist and machine learning engineer. May 2020. After 5 years of Java on top, C reclaims first place, nearly 50 years old and still leading the field. October 2021. For the first time in 20 years, neither C nor Java leads. Python takes number 1, the slow burner wins. The Python era. Readability, a giant ecosystem, and the AI explosion made it unstoppable. And yet C, now over 50 years old, still holds second place. "75 years, 59 languages, one family tree, and every branch fed the next.